Easy. Long time no see.
Ages.
Yeah, you're right. Do you mind if I'd be really annoying and I get like a portrait of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm doing like a TikTok thing and I need to get as many kind of people as possible. But obviously stick your bike somewhere first. It's alright. Yeah man, I can't even think how long it's been.
Probably like
2 years at least. It was before the pandemics and stuff, right? Shit. I mean, it doesn't feel like that long. I remember the shoot.
was it like mid? Yeah, it was like.
Dunno.
Pandemic for a little bit.
Yeah.
We did 2 photos.
I remember the one where you had all the stuff on the table.
Yeah, it was like 2 years ago.
Shit, man.
Crazy, yeah.
That's ridiculous. Yeah, sorry to spring it on you. Like,
That's right.
I just thought, oh god, Ant's gonna be here. I'll take a picture of him because I'm doing like not just models. I'm doing other people and stuff as well. I'll just get you over here. Literally, just lean up against this wall for me, mate. Like this kind of, you know. I'll just wait for these people to go. You could be in the shot as well. Yeah, you too. Actually, go over to this one. There's a wire coming out of that one. That's it, mate. And you could be looking just anywhere. Don't even look towards me. That's it. And then be looking kind of past me up that way, Ant. That's it, mate. Perfect. And then I'm just going to get a portrait, and then looking towards me. Cool. Nice, done. Thank you.